Hello guys and welcome back. Another video, another unboxing video. I believe this banknote has some foreign mixed banknotes. And yeah, let's see what we have today. Ooh, nice. Here we are. Here we have the banknotes. We don't have anything left here. So these are the banknotes. So guys, for you that are new to my channel and this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'm basically a banknote reseller on eBay, not a proper collector, but I do keep few banknotes from these mixed bundles of foreign banknotes that I buy on eBay. So and that's how I have made my modest collections of foreign banknotes. So most of them will go back to eBay for resale for a small profit. So it's a win-win situation for me, keeping some and reselling some. This is not a big bundle, let's say. I have opened envelopes or packages with hundreds and hundreds of banknotes, but if the price is the right price, I will buy some, even few of them. I believe I have these banknotes were in total $11. So for me it's nice. Let's focus a little bit. So the first banknote is Soviet 3 Rubley. This is from 1961. I have some of. I have a nice quantity from the Soviet Union, and I believe I have this series from 1961. Anyway, I will check my Soviet collection because I can't remember all the banknotes or all the years that I have already, but I believe this will go back to eBay. This is another. This is a nice banknote from Turkey, not the common hyperinflative Turkish lirasi from the 80s and the 90s. This is from the 70s, if I'm not mistaken. 5 lirasi. This is not a common banknote, and this is in a very nice condition. I believe I will keep this banknote, because when I see them on eBay, I will. It's not that I will buy random lots of mixed banknotes. I will study them, which banknote I don't have in my collection, or which banknotes are good to mix with other banknotes that I already have for reselling on eBay. So I never buy just by chance, let's say. And I will keep this banknote because it's in a really good condition. This is a 5,000 drachma from Greece, 1943, the start of the hyperinflative period of Greek history. It was, I believe, 1943. It was close to the German occupation, and in 1944 they had in denominations in billions of drachmas. I have some of them. I can't remember either if I have this already have this banknote. But anyway, this is in a very good condition. I had plenty of Greek banknotes, but I've sold them through the years, so I'm the vintage ones, the World War II series. But I've started to recollect them. Anyway, I will keep this banknote and check my Greek collection. Very nice banknote. Do love the background with the ancient figures here. Here we have really beautiful, but not in a good condition, Albanian 5 lakh. Don't forget, either in singular or in plural, you say just lakh, not leki, not leke. Just lakh, 5 lakh, or 50 lakh. This is the 1976, the identical series. They copied the first series, 1964, the original series. That series has about double the price of the 1976s. Communist Albania, communist designs. This is the city of Durrës or Dorakium, and this is a commercial ship. This will go back to eBay because I have that. Here we have 10, the old 10 dinari from North Macedonia. They have a polymer now version of this banknote. I have had plenty of this banknote, and I have sold them on eBay. A very nice design. So back to eBay, a really common Italian 1000 lira from the 70s, I believe. Let's see the date. Not 1982. This is the famous explorer Marco Polo. A very, very common banknote to find in the mixed bundles. Back to eBay. To be honest, these two last banknotes were my let's say priority to win this auction, but this was the main banknote because this is an older series from Malaysia. I do love Malaysian currency. I have a nice, a modest collection of coins and banknotes from Malaysia. Check it out here if you are interested. I'm Malaysian, and I believe I don't have this banknote, and that's why I wanted to win this auction. Very, very beautiful and nice, great monument. I believe this is the monument of independence in Jakarta. Or Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Imagine being a geography nerd and not remembering the Malaysian capital. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little confused now, but I don't have this banknote. But even if I had this banknote, I will keep it because this is a very, very scarce, let's say, not expensive, but scarce banknote to find in the mixed lots. So this was my priority, and I got it. And this is another beauty. This is the current series of the Romanian Leu. Or lei. Very nice. I have a good amount. By the way, Romania is one of my favorite countries to collect coins and banknotes. I have a really nice amount of coins and banknotes from Romania. Check out my Romanian coin and banknote collection in the playlists, I believe, and I believe you will like that video. Very nice. Not in the best condition, but anyway, I will resell these banknotes. Of course, mixed with other other banknotes that I have in stock. So these were the banknotes that I will resell, and these are the three banknotes that I mostly will keep. Well, these two banknotes for sure I will keep, but I will check about these 5,000 drachmas, because I don't remember if I have, or if I have, I want to see the quality of that banknote. So guys, this was the today's unboxing. Not a big unboxing like the 95% of the times, but anyway, it was a cheap auction, about $10 or $11, and I'm happy. So this will go to my collection, and this is my way of cheap collecting, let's say, because I don't spend big money on buying stuff exclusively for my collection, because my focus is reselling on eBay. Anyway guys, if you are interested for my banknotes, if you want to buy from me, nandicollector.com, check out I have put the link in the video description. Check my website if you like something. I have put plenty of mixed bundles of banknotes, or banknotes from a single country if you like only one country. Yeah, check it out. If you want to contact me through Instagram and Facebook, this is my my logo, my official logo in every social media, and on my business, of course. So yeah guys, anyway guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. You will find plenty of this kind of videos with foreign coins, foreign banknotes, my playlists of my collections, and some numismatic news also. Anyway guys, again, thank you very much. Ask me any questions in the video description, or let me know which was your favorite banknote from this mixed. For me is this Malaysian 1 ringgit. Guys, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.